What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and today I have a review on the NikeLab AAE 1.0 half zip hoodie. Now, before we get into the review, make sure you guys hit that like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be putting out a lot of NikeLab and a lot of Nike Tech content out for you guys. Now let's get into the review. Now for sizing on this hoodie, I went with an XL. Personally, I wish I would have got a double XL. I'm 6'3", 220 pounds. For sizing reference, I rotate between an XL and a double XL. I really wear an XLT, but that's like impossible to find in any pieces. I would definitely say go up a size. Now this hoodie feels super nice and super high quality. I believe the retail was around $350 or $400. It's around there somewhere. I can't remember for sure. This hoodie is super nice and will keep you extremely warm. The body's made up of 70% wool and 30% polyester. Now I really like the colorway on this. It's kind of different. I don't have anything that's like a brown and gray. I think this brown is super dope. All of this hoodie is like super thin. It's actually pretty heavy and is more of like a winter runner. That's really the only thing I would use this hoodie for, is for running. I don't think this is really a hoodie I would pull out to go somewhere, but I think for running this is perfect. It's super comfortable. It has the thumb holes if you like that when you're running. I personally don't use that, but it has those, and then it has a super nice hood, and then it has a little half zip that covers up your face when you're running. First, we're gonna get into the hood. Now the hood is super comfortable, super lightweight, and it's also adjustable. I'm personally not a huge fan of this hood, but for running, I think the hood is super nice. This hoodie features two swooshes, one on your shoulder and then one on your back. Now this hoodie is a half zip, so it has two zippers and you can unzip it from either way. It has a top zipper and like a bottom zipper. Not really something I would really mess with. I kind of just keep it almost all the way up if I have the hood on, and then a little down if I have the hood off. This hoodie features a nice adjustable waist, which is pretty cool. I like when hoodies have that. This hoodie also features a zipper on your side as well. It has two zippers, and then it also has a pocket right inside of that zipper, so you can undo the top zipper and have access to the pocket that's on the inside. This hoodie features a ton of pockets. It has two side pockets, one's inside and then one's on your normal outside, and then you also have a pocket on your back right next to the swoosh, and it's pretty big. You also have like two big storage compartments. That's one right down your back and then one that's like on your shoulder. I don't know why they put that there, but you do have those two as well. The one going down your back is super deep. It's like goes all the way down your spine. I don't really get the point of that, but they do have it. I've had this hoodie for a little while. I've washed it a couple times and I've used it running. I really do like it. I definitely love the colorway. I know some people might not like it, but I think it's super dope, the brown and the gray. I don't have anything that's like this, so I thought it was an instant cop for me personally. Although I know the price point is super high, so I don't know if I could really say that I would recommend it for that price, but I definitely think if you find it cheaper, like maybe around $100, $150, that it's definitely worth it. I will definitely drop the product link for you guys so you guys are able to find this, and if you want this piece. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'll be doing a lot of content on NikeLab and Nike Tech. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe as well. So much content is coming out, and I'm just trying to get you guys reviews on stuff that you never really see. Make sure you guys also stay around for the try on after this. And again, thank you guys for watching. I'm out.
Laugh going,